In the previous video, we looked at phase changes from a solid to a liquid and liquid to solid. Now we will take a look at phase changes between liquids and gases. Vaporization is the change from a liquid to a gas. Condensation is the change from a gas to a liquid. We can also look at how much heat energy is required or given off for vaporization and condensation. 1 pound of water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, or the boiling point of water, requires 970 BTU of heat to form 1 pound of steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. On the other side, 1 pound of steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit yields or gives off 970 BTU of heat to form 1 pound of water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. In both of these cases, 970 BTU is the heat of vaporization. A couple of examples of vaporization are boiling off all of the water in a pan as long as you leave the pan turned on long enough. Fuel is vaporized in your engine before combustion. An example of condensation is when water vapor forms dew on the grass or your vehicle on a cold morning. This occurs when the temperature is the same as the dew point. Let's take a look at an example involving vaporization and condensation. How many BTUs of heat must be withdrawn from 20 pounds of steam at 212 degrees Fahrenheit to condense it into water? We can also handle this problem like a unit conversion, just like the example in the previous video. We can start out by writing down the 20 pounds of steam we will condense. We know that 1 pound of steam gives off 970 BTU of heat, so we can multiply by the conversion 970 BTU divided by 1 pound. Crossing off units of pounds and multiplying, we end up with 19,400 BTU of heat must be withdrawn to condense 20 pounds of steam into water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, notice how there is no temperature change occurring when we have a phase change. In the next video, we will take a close look at heat pumps.